Okay, hi guys. So you might be asking, why is it just more? Because it just came out like that. So you have to climb here, and then go, and then if you land here, that's fine. And if you land here, that's fine also. And then here. And then here, and then over. Oh my! Then you have to dodge these. So, or you could just do the method you do, like the climbing method. This is just a spot to relax. Then do this, but don't relax for too long. And then you have to pinch up, and you have to pinch climb up here. No, I keep falling. Then you have to pinch climb right up. Oh my god, I was so close. So you have to pinch climb up until you get to the top. No, I keep falling. So you have to get up to the top of the thing. I could call it thing. I don't have a name for it. Then you have to go here. Then you have to go here, and then here, then here. Oh my! Battery fell and get up here, but make sure you do not fall. Then you have to, we need to use the phone. Then you have to get up here, then here, and then, oh no, I fell. You get here, and then up here, and then here, and you're done. Wait, just give me a second. I'm good in the video. Just give me a second. I'm good in the video. Falling. So.